Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the minimal essentials so you can write and run code immediately. Open your project folder in Vscode, then initialize with npm init yso package. JSON exists. Once done, install and enable ESLint and prettier extensions to catch errors and keep style consistent. Make sure Node.js is installed and visible via Node.v. That allows running files with Node file. JS. Now create an index.js file and type a simple console. Log to verify execution. You'll now connect the tools to your workflow so edits translate into reliable runs. Create ESLint.rc, JSON, and pretty.rc files to enforce the rules your team wants. This reduces bugs early. Then use Vscode's integrated terminal to run node index.js or npx nodeman for automatic restarts while editing. Next, configure launch. JSON to run and debug with breakpoints. Press F5 to start. These steps let you step through code, inspect variables, and quickly iterate without leaving the editor. You'll wrap up by verifying behavior and handling common issues so the project is stable. Add just tests and run npm test. When failures appear, reproduce them locally and add assertions to prevent regressions. Use the problem's pane and ESLint quick fixes to resolve syntax and style issues immediately, and format with prettier before commits. If something breaks, like extensions conflicting, disable the most recent extension or reload the window. Then restart the terminal to clear environment state and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.